Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial, and today we are going to learn about how to change the whole design's color with just one click. So for that we are going to choose a Instagram blank page and then choose any template you wanted. So I'm choosing this template. Done. Now you need to go to Google and type color palette. So after typing color palette, there will be n number of options available. Choose any whichever you find very useful, and then you need to come to this design and paste that palette we have chosen. Now after choosing it, pasting it here, right click on it, go to the bottom of the menu, apply colors to page. Just click on that and then wait, you have actually changed the color palette. See, the previous color setup was this, and now you have done with one click, you've changed the complete design palette. I hope you found this useful. Now you can delete the palette which we pasted over here, and your design is ready with you. So that's all for today. I hope this is just magic and it is one of the most useful Canva hack. So that's all for today, and if you like it, click the button like, share and subscribe, and if you found this useful, comment in the comment box, and thank you for watching.